Dependable service. DependableService.com.
Dependable service is everything you would want out of a service company.
They have very pleasant people on the phone, they're timely, they take the information, and they do get back to you. So when you call Dependable Service, you are going to get an answer and you are going to get service, and that's why it's dependable.
When I call in or one of my staff calls in to Dependable Service, we get friendly voice on the other end of the line, and they understand our issues immediately and try to get whatever issues we have resolved.
With the techs, with the Dependable Service, when they come, they do keep a clean job site. They do employ methods that keeps your home clean, and they don't leave a mess behind, which that's a lot of people will say that's very important to them.
If I ever get asked for a recommendation for a plumber in a home or business, I 100% recommend Dependable Service.
Well, I would not hesitate to recommend Dependable Service because I have used them as a realtor. I have seen them with new construction. I have seen them in houses that have been built to solve problems. I've used them personally. So both professionally and personally, I've used them and had nothing but excellent results. And I would really recommend Dependable Service to you and to anyone to get the job done.
DependableService.com.